Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna go in great detail and talk about the platforms that you could use to find the right product to sell on your dropshipping accounts. Now, one of the major things which a lot of people tend to don't understand is the fact that there's a lot of opportunities in this time and period. And obviously, once you understand exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it, you can harness all that power and become financially independent. And that is the reason why we're making all these amazing videos for you guys to head over there on our channel and check them out. And obviously in today's video we're going to look at the tools and softwares that are available online that you could use to pick the right product to sell, and obviously get into the line of those millionaires who have the financial freedom, that have broken away from the 9 to 5 and actually get the peace of mind that they always dreamed about. And so could you. So the first website is called Oberlo.com. Oberlo.com is a fulfill your dropshipping dreams. Now on Shopify you can open an online store without hassle, managing all the inventory, the packaging, and the shipping as well, guys. And their picks is one of a kind, because if you want to create passive incomes or you want to get an idea, then this is the place to be. Understand the strategies, and obviously after understanding it, execute it flawlessly. And this is where Oberlo comes in, because it gives you the right information that you require to become financially independent. And guys, one of the major things which I always mention to individuals is doing research. The more research that you do, the better you're going to get at it. If you click on the courses over here, you'll see all the opportunities that are available on Oberlo, giving you a chance to understand exactly how to sell Shopify and become a financially independent individuals. These are short courses available for 1 minute, and actually giving you a complete breakdown of what an automation is, how can you find the right product, what the basics of inventory management is, and a 3 steps to start your online business, add subscriptions to drive, intro to bookkeeping, and 3 ways to make sales with Instagram. So guys, go ahead and check the Oberlo.com out. The second website is called sellthetrend.com, the AI product discovery and complete store automation that's available, the all-in-one platform for dropshipping success. And one of the reasons why I absolutely believe this is a brilliant website is because everything that you need is available on your fingertips. You get the dropshipping website you always wanted in 5 minutes with their built-in dropshipping website creator, Shops. And with Shops, you don't need to design a website, craft product pages, or learn to manually maximize sales. Their one-click operation lets you create amazing conversion optimized shop in seconds, add winning products instantly, and display real customer reviews, and so much more, guys. Discover the in-demand product with their advanced algorithm searching e-commerce stores around the world, giving you detailed information on 7.32 million products across 83 popular niches with suppliers, descriptions, videos, pricing, and offers, and so much more. And you can obviously look at the competition of what country is doing good and how to target with Facebook ads, and so much more. They will pick the winner every time. Compare how well different products have sold in the past and forecast the success of new products using their predictive AI technology. And that is the reason why I personally feel their industry leading Nexus research machine evaluates product based on the 26 distinct data points to show you the winner before anyone else, guys. And that is how you get your competitive advantage in this niche, with the selected best price and highest quality USA, European, and international suppliers from their database of 1,193 suppliers, and looking at the individual suppliers ranking based on their product rating, their pricing, their shipping speed, and the level of customer service, so you keep your profit margins high with complete shipping times and costs displayed for every product directly inside the app, guys. So you can find the product that's gonna make you money in 4 simple steps. The first one is find your niche and pick your winning products, and you can pick from at least 83 different popular niches. Fulfillment source is available as well, guys, and you can choose the best supplier because you can browse the suppliers to find the right match for you guys. And obviously with their database, you'll always be in safe hands. And in number 3, all you need to do is create high performing pages and pull together product details to create high converting product pages in a matter of seconds that will connect with your target audience, guys. And obviously once you've done that, you can build customer satisfaction, and with a one-click fulfillment, ensuring your orders are dispatched to the suppliers in record time, guys. So go ahead and click the start the 7-day free trial with sellthetrend.com. Shopify.com, because this is a place that can give you the financial freedom that you always been dreaming about, and breaking away from the 9 to 5 and getting the financial peace of mind that you always crave. And this next website, which I personally feel is a personal favorite, is the NicheScrapper.com. You can start finding winning products, and if you look at the left hand side, you got Product Scrapper, the handpick, the store analysis, the top niches, the ad supply, the video ad makers. And if you scroll down, you can see all the different sellers for the sellers, and the number one product scrapper that's going to be available, giving you the complete breakdown of what kind of product is selling and what you need to do. All you need to do is click on the product scrapper, and what is going to do is going to give you the complete breakdown of different products that are going to be available. And all you need to do is sign up to find the right product. You can search for product. For example, if you put phone cases, all we need to do is search for it, and it's going to give us the information in regards to it. And guys, it is truly as simple, straightforward, easy as that. Now, if you haven't done that, you can look at the handpick that are available as well, because the handpicked product, every single day more are added. And all you need to do to get this information is click on join now for free. And obviously guys, I would highly recommend for you to become an affiliate as well. If you look at the top right hand side corner, they got the affiliate program, and these are those websites that you can make money and earn money at the same time. And with their affiliate program, where you get paid for referring someone to become a member of the Niche Scrapper. It's simple, works in 3 steps. They give you a unique link to share, and someone purchases a membership within 30 days after clicking the link, you get 40% of the cut. That's $80 for every annual plan that you refer, and $20 for every monthly plan. If you have 100,000 individuals on your social media, and even if 1 or 2 or 3% of those individuals start using the Niche Scrapper and sign up through your link, you're making at least a couple of $1,000s just off the bat, guys. And if you continue to push this forward, you'll be making passive income in no time. The last website is called Ecomhunt.com. Now, you want to make sure that you get the right product out to individuals, and obviously you need to make sure that you understand the dynamics of those products. With Ecomhunt, you can get all of that and so much more. All you need to do is head over, click on the product you want to sell, and you get the full description that is available. And my personal favorite is the fact that you'll check the selling price that's available. And obviously with the selling price, you'll see the product cost and the profit margin. This is selling for $48.95. The costing is $16.95. You make an easy $32 profit off one product. And if you want to check out the product, all you need to do is click on See on AliExpress. It'll take you to the next page where the product is gonna be available on AliExpress. Now, as you can clearly see, this is a product for $16.95, and you can easily sell this product as per the information on Ecomhunt for $48.95 and make a $32 profit on top of this. It's very simple and straightforward, guys. Now, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and to guide you. The purpose of this video is to give you the different tools that are available to help you select the right product to sell on your Shopify account, on your dropshipping account, on your eBay account, on your Amazon account. It could be using Ecomhunt, or you can use the Niche Scrapper, or the sellthetrend.com, or you can even use Oberlo, because at the end of the day, this is one of the best websites that are available to help you select the right product and sell the product to become financially independent. Now guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your TikTok, so more people can find out about the right software, the right tool to use to find the right product to sell on their dropshipping store. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.